Hey beautiful, welcome to my channel. This video is on the installation of this beautiful hair goddess box braid with very loose curls. We used 2 packs of the hair. The hair comes in 36 per pack and we used 2. If you want to see how the hair looks, watch the video to the end and you will see how the hair looks and the pack that it comes in. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick video of installing this hair, beach ready hair. This installation was done in about an hour, quick 1 hour video. The braid pattern was about an hour and a half, and the installation was an hour, so it took us less than 3 hours to install this hair. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I will talk to you soon. Love you. Bye.
Girl, he is crazy.
In 1860, I'd like you to answer the question. Yes, Vice President speaking.
Oh, that's Kamala Harris.
In 1864, one of the, I think, political heroes.
Look it. He's so stupid.
Vice President speaking.
That's it.
Waiting for your mom? No. I'm not fucking waiting for you.
Beach ready, baby. That was a rough ride. I don't know if this one was worse than the last one.